You happen to stumble right into my messy, slightly fucked up life. I was in a place that wasn't meant for me, and I didn't know how to get out. With your brown eyes and that pretty smile, you didn't even have to try. I fell before I even knew. You make me want to be the best version of me, and that hasn't happened in a long time. I don't know what it was, but I won't rush this love. I wanna make sure I get this right. Every day we grow, and I think we both know I'm falling for you. Voice is so cute, and the thoughtful things you do, they just blow my mind. The way you listen to me and accept every part of me, the good, the bad, the ugly. I couldn't ask for anything more except one tiny little thing for you to hopefully fall for me.